Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you the very first short story, The Model Millionaire, written by Oscar Wilde. So students, this is your textbook 10 Mighty Pens, edited by K.A. Kalia. You can buy it to read text. So before beginning with the short story, The Model Millionaire, let us have a look over the brief biography of the author Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde, 1856 to 1900, a gifted and versatile Irish dramatist, poet, essayist, novelist, and short story writer of the Victorian era. He was a colorful and controversial figure. Colorful and controversial means having different qualities. Colorful means having different qualities. Controversial figure due to his writings which arouse controversies. He was a very colorful and a controversial figure who both shocked and amused his contemporaries. Contemporaries means the poets and the writers of the same time. He was educated at Trinity College, Dublin, and Magdalen College, Oxford. While at Oxford, he came under the influence of Walter Pater and soon gained a reputation as one of the founders of the aesthetic cult which espoused the doctrine of art for art's sake. Means he gained reputation as one of the founders of aestheticism. He was a brilliant conversationalist and one of the wittiest men of his time. Wittiest means intelligent. He was a very intelligent poet and a writer. While for his contemporaries, Wilde represented degeneracy and weakness. According to his contemporaries, Oscar Wilde was a weak person. He was weak as a writer and poet. There is nonetheless plenty of evidence that he was a brave man of remarkable strength of character. Means he had a very good character, who made an emphatic protest against the vulgarity of his age. His novel, in this stanza, there are the titles of the novels written by Oscar Wilde. Here I would like to name some of them. The Picture of Dorian Gray. It has been filmed, and his novel, The Importance of Being Earnest, translated into several languages. And there are some other novels like The Happy Prince and Other Tales, Lady Windermere's Fan, A Woman of No Importance, etc. So this is the brief biography of the author. Students, now I would like to give you a very brief summary, a very brief introduction to the short story, The Model Millionaire. The story concerns a young man who, although he doesn't have much money, means he was poor, who does not have much money himself, is moved to pity by the sight of an elderly beggar who is posing as a model for his artist friend. Means The Model Millionaire is a story of a young man who was very poor, but when he sees an elderly beggar posing as a model for his artist friend, who was actually a model posing as a beggar for his artist friend, but that young man takes him as a beggar and he takes pity on that person. Although he can barely afford to do so, the young man gives the beggar the largest denomination coin that he has in his pocket. So, by taking pity on that beggar, the young man gives him the coin which he has in his pocket at that time. The young man's act of kindness has unexpected positive consequences for him. The young man's act of kindness, his act of kindness when he gives a coin out of his pocket to that beggar man, his this act brings unexpected positive consequences for that young man. So this is a very good story having a moral. Let us now begin with the story. The protagonist of the story is a young man called or named Huey Riskin. Huey is handsome, charming, and popular, but he has been very unlucky. Why? As far as financial matters are concerned, he was very young, charming, popular, but he he was very unlucky because of his financial matters. He was left nothing of any great value in his father's will. Means when his father died, he was left with a very small money. So he was very unlucky because he was not rich financially. He has tried his hand at several different businesses, all of which have failed. Having no job, Huey's only source of income is £200 a year, which is given to him by an elderly aunt. So he was having no job, and he was getting only £200 as a source of income, and by his elderly aunt. Huey has fallen in love with a young woman named Laura Merton, and she loves him in return. Huey Riskin, he was in love with the young woman whose name was Laura Merton, and she too, Laura Merton too, loves him in return. Means both were in love with each other. Laura's father, Colonel Merton, is fond of Huey. Fond of means he likes Huey. Laura's father, Merton, likes Huey, but due to his poor financial prospects, he doesn't want the young man to marry his daughter. Because he was poor, so Laura's father doesn't want to marry his daughter with that man, Huey Riskin. He has often told Huey that he will only allow him to get engaged to Laura after he has earned £10,000. So, the father of Laura Merton puts a condition before Huey Riskin that he will allow him to marry his daughter if he earns £10,000 of his own. Huey goes to see his artist friend Ellen Trevor. One day, Huey Riskin goes to see his artist friend whose name is Ellen Trevor. He finds that Ellen is painting a portrait of an old man who appears to be a beggar. When Huey goes to meet his friend Ellen Trevor, at the same time, Ellen is painting a portrait of an old man who was looking like a beggar. The old man is wearing a tattered brown cloak. The old man is wearing a tattered means torn. Brown cloak. Cloak means gown or dress. The old beggar man is wearing a torn brown colored dress and boots which have been mended many times. Mended here means repaired, and he is wearing the boots which have been repaired for so many times. He has a rough walking stick in one hand. In the other hand, he is holding out an old hat as if to ask for money. In one hand, that old beggar man was holding out a stick, and in the other hand, he was holding out an old hat as if to ask for money, means as if he was begging. His face is heavily wrinkled and he looks extremely sad. The face of that beggar man was full of so many wrinkles, and he looks extremely unhappy or sad at that time. Both Ellen and Huey agree that the old man is an excellent subject for a painting. Both talk to each other, Ellen and Huey talk to each other, and they agree on the point that that old man, who was actually a model but posing as a beggar man, he is an excellent subject for a painting. Huey, however, cannot help feeling sorry for the man. Means Huey, however, cannot help feeling sorry. Help feeling sorry means Huey Riskin takes pity on that beggar man. He thinks it is unfair that although Allen's paintings regularly sell for 2,000 guineas, he only pays his models 1 shilling an hour to pose for him and doesn't give them a percentage of the money which he makes from sales of their portraits. Huey takes pity on that beggar man, and he thinks that it is unfair, it is unjust. It is unjust that Allen takes thousands of guineas for painting someone, but he only pays his models 1 shilling means very less money, less amount for painting him as a model. He only pays his models 1 shilling an hour to pose for him. He pays very little to them to pose for him and does not give them a percentage of the money. He does not give them the proper money which they deserve, which he makes from sales of their portraits. He says that he thinks that it is very unjust that he doesn't pay his models who pose for him for so many hours. He pays them very little. It doesn't appear to be good to Huey Riskin. So students, today we have completed half of the short story, The Model Millionaire. Tomorrow we will continue with the same story. Thank you very much.